Curly. So, how's your first time sleeping with Matthew?
I didn't know they motherfucking
With him in this house.
dude, that's us.
Are you scared?
What the fuck yeah, I'm scared.
Talk louder.
Fuck yeah. I'm fucking scared the shit my pants.
Like Curly in his diarrhea right now?
Sure. Send that to me, I'll put it on YouTube.
Okay. Well, explain to me the sounds of what you heard from upstairs.
He goes microphone.
Can you stand up and show us how to fly?
No, he's a dog. Levi's going.
Oh my god.